It was a beautiful night, and we read in the paper that they were having some awesome fireworks, so we decided to take a drive. We're from Nashville, and we drove about an hour and a half to get here. We like living in Nashville because it's a small town, and we feel, we have a big garden, and our kids go to a small school, but we still get to come here to Grand Rapids where there's museums and cultures and fun things like this they do with the big companies here. We just feel really fortunate to be able to come to a big city but not live in a big city.
I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I mean, it's really good weather right now, and it's going to be some great fireworks, and we're really excited.
Yeah. I'm actually really excited because I just love fireworks. It's really cool.
Yeah, and it's really exciting, like the first time to be here and I can see the fireworks, so I'm kind of excited about that.